Okay, third graders, we are going to work together page 2. Let's remember the instructions. In the instructions, it says that we have to underline the present tense verbs with blue, we have to underline the past tense verbs with green, and that we have to circle the super S with red. Remember that the super S is what you add when we use the verb with he, she, or it. Here in this, you have an example. They underlined it with blue because it's a present tense verb, and they have the S circled with red. Now we are going to do the exercise together. We are going to do a couple of examples, not the whole page, but this is something for you to know and to see what is it that you have to do. Let's see. It says, Mark is a superhero. He likes to help children and animals in trouble. Every morning, Mark gets up very early, takes a shower, eats breakfast, brushes his teeth, and leaves home. In all these phrases, we have present tense verbs. Look, we have gets up, we have takes, we have eats, we have brushes, and we have leaves. It says that we have to underline the verbs in present with blue. So let's underline the verbs in present. Gets up and takes. Only those because this is only example. Then it says that we have to circle the super S with red. So we are going to circle the super S with red. Look, here we have the super S, and here we have another super S. Now we have to look for the past tense verbs and underline them with green. Remember that the past tense of regular verbs ends with ed. So we have to take a look in this story and find a verb with ed. Let's look here. Yesterday, Mark exercised for 2 hours. Later, he came home and cooked some spaghetti for dinner. Here we have some adverbs. Remember that they help you to know when the action takes place. So we have exercised, which is the past tense of exercise, and we have cooked, which is the past tense of cook. And this is what you have to do. Look for verbs in the present, underline them with blue, circle the super S, and look for verbs in the past and underline them with green.